Where them a go do ya now? New link and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New link.
Blessings, viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, my people. Enough love, enough respect. And you don't know, so they attacking Basta and New Link from New Link Production. And I mean, say attack. So right about now, my people, me nah go lie, my people. You understand? Me I tell you, a video was sent to my viewers and subscribers and a link towards a news. You understand? From one of my real fan them. Big up yourself. You understand? And when me see this thing, people, the video, number one, I watch first, people. Tears come on my eye. And then when I go towards the story and read the whole thing after the video, and based on the video, I see people hit the story I illustrate from people. Yo, I feel it, people, my blood run cold because of what I have seen taking place in the video. And to see how our own brothers and sisters in Jamaica wicked and cruel against each other, my people. Because in this video I saw a man on the ground can't help himself, because basically the man who over him stronger people have all powers, and the man have an object in his hand, my people. And this object is suspected to be a scissors. And he's using this object, people, to inflict several wounds to the man on the ground, people, in a face, all over his body. I'm telling you, a whole heap. The man managed to come to boom and go at the side, my people, and him still go there and put it on until the video stop, people. That means even when the video stop, basically him still put it on, and it's a motorist, people, that was behind, caught it on his phone, because basically one of the person come from a car and carry out this act, my people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. And sad part about this, my people, them said this man who dead, people, this youth was to migrate soon to the United States of America, where his mother was filing for him, my people. So soon enough before I make that move, the people, this is what took place. I'm telling the people, it's one of the most saddest thing ever I got publicized, because I said tears come my eye when I see the video, people, and see the whole illustration of what going on when I read everything, people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Let me just read this thing, my people, and then the attacking basket. Yo, attack off the drop, no joke. Let me just read this. Man killed weeks before migrating. Theodore Smith, a resident of Maiden Lane in downtown Kingston, was looking forward to migrating to the United States in a few weeks. Unfortunately, the 30-year-old will never get a chance to reunite with his mother, as he was stabbed to death on Monday afternoon with a pair of scissors, allegedly by someone he had an argument with recently. Reports from the Kingston Central Police are that about noon, Smith was walking along the roadway when he was pounced upon by a man who used a scissors to stab him. The police were alerted and he was taken to hospital, where he was pronounced dead. The alleged attacker has not yet been caught. When the news visited the community yesterday, a group of women who identified themselves as his relatives described Smith as a good youth. He's a little youth women who have watched grow from him a baby. Theo was a good youth with everybody love. Him wasn't one to keep malice and him would argue with you. But after it him done and forget about it. One of them said. She said Smith and his alleged attacker had a verbal confrontation about 2 weeks ago, and Smith was allegedly threatened. So clearly, Theo forget it, and yesterday him leave go buy cash pot, and me hear said the youth just see him and attack him. Backway and stab him in his neck, she said. The woman said they all thought Smith would have survived the ordeal and were shocked when he succumbed to his injuries. Him just leave the yard, and not even 3 minutes later me hear say him get stabbed. When he even reached hospital, one of the police told us he was fine, and at about an hour later, we hear say him dead. I know me can't believe, and it come in as a big shock to everyone who live on the lane. Him never deserve this. His mother await on him to come live with her, she said. So my viewers and my subscribers, as me are telling our people, you see that wicked sin thing that with that scissors that we see in the video? A straight attack for you anywhere you're there. So the police may know so you can't use the video, because the video is out there, people. You understand? And find this same thing. Because it's one of the most cruelest things I can see a man do to a man, my people. Where the art, only just sees and he knows, And at the same thing me I talk about, people, and I say, sometimes some little argument what we have with one another, it better if we can just dash to them thing the people and left it alone, because we never know where one argument can lead to. You understand? We never know, my people. My gosh, my mighty, my people. Me say when me see the same thing over the youth, my people, and the way how I put it on, you can't know say in him head people in a business, in no care, in no art, in no leniency, in nothing towards it, people. Him just put it on. Him just put it on, him not finish. All the youth there, because the youth him not come so but man try to fight back people because him done conquer him already. Because maybe the first blow when him, as what them say people, him get attacked from back way. You understand? And him give it to him people and him decide say, you know what? Me a finish you off. Me a write you off. You not get a chance to come back. Zine? Jaja sees, Jaja knows. You see anywhere that wicked sin thing the people. Me say yo. But remember you know, a time at the master. Zine, time at the master. I wasn't there people. What altercation him and the youth have 2 weeks before, you understand? And if the youth they do something to him like get sitting and use an object and do nothing to him or anything like that people. But basically towards when I see people, that's where the people them say and relatives say him is a youth who forgot about things. Him and a man have an argument or something, him brush it off and him just forgot about it because him not appreciate I go continue people. But 7 brother, 7 different mind. Not everybody have the same mindset. You may have the art, you may have the mindset, you know, so what me can brush off this and forgot about that. But for him a pray in him head say, you know what, the boy this me, the boy violate me, and anytime I catch you one away, me I go deal with the people, and this is what he did. See, because basically, as I tell people, it is a car park, you know, and the door pull. So the attacker, was driving that car, my people. You understand? Basically, the man walk, if you go buy him cash pot and thing, my people. You know what I mean? And him just comes a boom and see him, take time, drive up, park, he carry the jump up with him object, have him scissors people. And this is what he did. Several him put on the youth. Look that the youth mother wait for him and people. The mother they are foreigner wait to get him over there just weeks before him comes about and take the plane people and get for chip out a yard and see the people. Ice him a go depan. Ice him depan. See, while the other sin thing they were depan and running now. How the other sin thing feel now? If you know saying the sin thing like this. But just season he knows my viewers and subscribers. A wickedness and a crueltiness. The poor youth. My yo. You see that world of my viewers and subscribers. Me I tell you say, it's a crazy world. Zine, very crazy. And mankind and love for nobody again. You get me? Mankind and love them and art people. Before money that comes about with big stick and big stone and fling it and this and that. And we come about my way, you know what I mean? We chip out, we even go around the ends for a couple of weeks and then man forgot about things people. But now, it's totally different. All my cancer viewers and subscribers, what good. Be careful, because yo, the streets, it not pretty out there. Remember the attacking boss telling that people, it not pretty. Big up on yourself, my people. More love, more respect, and more blessings, and just be safe and just do the right thing, my people, because yo, it's not an easy road. Remember me telling that. Remember to do like, do share, do subscribe, and please comment, my people. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, New Link Production, my people. If you want to make a support or contribution to our channel, people, please check below in the description for all the links, you understand, and support the movements. Full force, fully attack. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Rest in peace, youth. Jaja.